welcome back to my channel. I've received a few requests on how to make this loop at the beginning of the bracelet, so today I'll be teaching you how to make that. Let's get started. First, gather your string. Whichever color you want the buckle to be, make sure you cut about a foot extra of it, as you can see how I did here with the blue string. Make a knot about 1 inch away from the midway point. Attach your strings to your clipboard. Separate the string that's longer than all of the others. Now form a backwards 4 with the string and make a backward knot over the entire bundle of strings. Then make a forwards 4, or a forward knot, and make another knot over the bundle of strings. Continue this way, making backward knots and a backward 4, and then forward knots, like a forward 4, until your knotted bundle becomes about 1 inch to 1.5 inches long. Once you're done, take your loop off of the clipboard and untie the overhand knot that you made earlier. All you have to do is bend this knotted bundle into a loop and then you're done. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to keep the bracelets coming. Follow me on Instagram at AlexInnovations, and be sure to visit my website to see all the bracelets I have to offer at alexinnovations.weebly.com. Thank you for watching. See you next time!